Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Power Platform Toolbox. This is a new tool created by the Power Platform community. So if you're familiar with XRM Toolbox, you might see this as very familiar, or because some of the tools are created from XRM Toolbox and migrated here in Power Platform Toolbox. So let me begin. First, you just need to go to Power Platform Toolbox.com. And then when you're in this page, you just need to click download for Windows. So if you're using other OS, you just need to view all platforms and versions here. So in my case, I just need to click this one. So as you can see, I have already one existing. Just need to cancel this. So after downloading, you just need to open the file, then install it. Just click install. Yeah, once finished, um, this should be the view. So as you can see, it's much more modern compared to XRM Toolbox. Then we have three navigation here. First is the installed tools. Second is the connections. And third is marketplace. Currently, we only have 15 tools. Hopefully, we can add more here. Then I installed two um, tools here, wherein, for example, this flow documentation generator, where it can generate a scale flow diagram for you, and then fast record counter is for counting number of records in your table within Dataverse. So just take note prior to selecting one of the tools. Just need you need to create a connection first. So it is a requirement. You just need to click add when you want to add new connections, whether it's a production um, environment, whether it's developer or dev or test. And then you just need to configure all the required fields under here and then click add. In my case, I already have one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, you may subscribe, click, and let me know your comments or thoughts here for this new tool called Power Platform Toolbox. Thank you.